What's going on, guys? So we're going to do a little bit of a trade recap here on Nvidia. Pretty much the play of the day, right? Semiconductors ran. What the news is, I have no idea, right? Really pulled up the triple Q index. A lot of stocks were green on the day, but kind of, the period of time today where a lot of stocks weren't doing anything, with the exception of Nvidia, AMD, some of the other semiconductors were really on fire today. Wouldn't be complete if I did not make a video on Nvidia, kind of talk about what the stock did today, where you could have potentially traded this stock, and what potentially you were looking for. So I actually took a very quick scalp on Nvidia. Was only in the trade for about 20-25 minutes, and I'll kind of show you that and outline where exactly I was in this trade and what I was looking for. But essentially, Nvidia just right out of the gates was just really on fire. If we kind of look right here at 6:30 a.m., we kind of opened up, back tested this 200-day moving average on a 5-minute time frame, kind of just put in this hammer candle and then just exploded, right? So the area that I was looking for was 268.88, and I had another price target right up here around 272. So that was going to be my take profit zone. So as we came up into this area one time, I seen us pull back, and then we started to ramp up again. As soon as we crossed over this level here at 7:35 Pacific Standard Time, I went ahead and went long 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. As we started to approach this level here, I sold on the breakthrough of the 272 area. And one of the reasons why I did that was, one second here. One of the reasons why I did that was, I didn't know if we were going to continue to pull back. And now, obviously, if I would have known that this stock was going to rip 25 points and 10% on the day, I would have, invested my whole portfolio into this and day traded that. But that's the name of the game, right? You never know what these stocks are going to do. And you kind of have to just play your strategy and respect your rules and continue to move along and look for the next setup. So as we crossed this 272 area, I went ahead and took my profits here, which was not a bad trade. It was around $700 worth of profit here. However, by the time that I kind of looked around a couple of hours later, the contracts that I had initially purchased for around $250, $280 a piece were then trading at $1,400, $1,500, $1,600. So you can just imagine the amount of money that I did leave on the table with that. We obviously came into 283.20. The next area of opportunity that you really could have played Nvidia was, right here, right around this 9 o'clock, 9:05 Pacific Standard Time, as we pulled into the 20, consolidated and held. As soon as we held this and kind of pushed off, you could have went long here, somewhere around 276. Still gave you room all the way back up to 283. And then the next play was when we quickly closed below at 10:05 Pacific Standard Time, closed below the 20-day moving average, and then quickly recaptured that. You could have taken an entry here right around 279 and taken that for another 4 or 5 points higher. Definitely phenomenal trade. Where do I think this is going for tomorrow? If we kind of just take a look at the daily chart and really see, where the next area of resistance is here. I mean, just fantastic move off the bottom. So if we kind of look at where we closed today, or actually today's high price, and we kind of correlate this price level, you can see us coming into a little bit of rejection, a little bit of supply here, right around this 286, and then I believe it's 294. So definitely look forward to that. If there is any sort of pullback, what I would like to see is, anywhere between this 270, 272 area hold. So if we pull back into this area, kind of hold and chop around here, and then make that next push higher through $283, I think we can definitely start stretching out a little bit here. Definitely broken the downward pattern as soon as we got over that 272 area. So bulls are doing a fantastic job. You can't really complain. I do think that we need a couple days of rest. I'm going to continue to say that until we get those days of rest. The faster and higher that we continue to go each and every single day, the bigger that pullback is going to be when it does happen. So I'd rather just start to get it out of the way now, maybe starting tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, kind of get 1, 2, 3 days worth of sideways action, especially on stocks like Nvidia. But again, that does not mean that the whole market is going to go down. There's still a lot of stocks that are reclaiming the 50-day moving average, the 20-day moving average on their own time frames, and those are going to be the stocks that you're going to want to pull and start to trade as those stocks get pulled up. Guys, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I will see you guys all in the next trading video.